In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Engineer Ability Wars. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to unlock and use Engineer in Ability Wars. I'm going to give you an overview of all of its abilities, including the passive, U, Q, and so on. So Engineer can be found on this side of the abilities, and as you can see, it is going to be between UFO and Combo. So what you have to do is earn the Operator Badge to get Engineer. The Operator Badge can be acquired if you complete all quests. So to get Operator and essentially get Engineer and also UFO, you need to complete all quests. So talk to the NPC here, and you will be able to complete all of these. For this video, I'm not going to go into too much detail about what you have to do, but you can just read the description and try it out for yourself. Once you complete all of these, you will be rewarded with UFO and then most importantly, Engineer. So now I'm going to be talking about the passive and its abilities. Engineer allows you to build and create unique contraptions with the potential for all forms of combat and traversal. So you will have vehicles, you will have traps, you will have all sorts of things that you can do. I'm going to give you a basic overview. So the passive, you will have a UI at the bottom of your screen. This UI allows you to build and construct. When you press E, you are going to do the module switch. So you have four main modes. You have the option to build, you have the option to repair, which as the name suggests, will allow you to repair any damaged buildings. You have the option to break, which simply destroys a specific pre-existing building, and then the option to punch, which just allows you to normally punch and instantly break your items, so it is useful for self-defense. When you press Q, you will have the option to swap resources, and this is where it gets really complicated. Sadly, there aren't too many resources for me to go over in this video. However, if you are playing normally, you will have floor, wall, seat, driver seat, fan, balloon, wheel, tree, teleporter, and dispenser. And if you have mastered, you are going to have even more. So you are going to have radial, piston, ladder, propeller, launchpad, overclocker, and so on. Like I mentioned, all of these will have their own unique abilities. So for example, these propellers will throw you up, the vehicles can be used for movement, these speed pads will allow you to walk quicker, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Engineer Ability Wars. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.